how to install ChatGPT offline. So I've installed it offline. Let me chat with it for you to see by saying hi. And as you can see, ChatGPT has responded perfectly and it's working perfectly fine. Let me show you how to get it. All that you have to do is simply go to Google, and then from Google search, come and then search for LM Studio and then hit enter. Once come, simply come here to the official site of LM Studio and then come and click on it. It's going to bring you right here where you can come and then install the ChatGPT models. Okay, so from the top you see that you have the models. Come and click on it. It's going to bring you right here, but first you have to install the LM Studio if you don't have it installed already. So come and select your system. I'm going to select for Windows, and then to bring you right here to where you can download the LM Studio and then install it. Okay, so you have to make sure that your system is selected. So mine is Windows. It's been selected, and then you can simply come and then click on download for Windows. Okay, so when you click on it, it's going to download the setup just like this. Come and then open the setup by right clicking on it, and then come and click on open to open it, and then go through the installation process. It is then going to open the LM Studio just like this, and then from here you will see that we have the search, that is the discover. Come and click on it, and then it's going to bring you right here. Okay, so make sure that model search is selected, and then you are going to see that we have so many models listed just for you. Okay, so it is sorted by best match for your operating system. Okay, so when you come here you see that we have best match. Come and click on the down arrow, and you see that it is being sorted by this. Okay, we have most downloaded, recently uploaded, and come and then make sure that this is selected. Only include stuff pics that can fit on my device. Come and make sure that this is checked. Okay, it is going to look at your memory system, that is your memory storage. So as you can see, that is my memory storage, and it's going to pick the models that your system can run. Okay, so as you can see, these are the models that my system can run. So just come and then select one. So just click on it, and then from here you will see that this is the full name. Okay, and then there's the number of downloads. Okay, so when you come here you see everything about the model that you have just selected, and all that you have to do is to simply come and then download it now. So from here you see that you have the download. Come and then click on the download, and then you will see the total size of the file as well. So when you click on the download, you can simply come and then close it after it has finished downloading, and then come here to where it says select model to load. Come and click on it, and then you will find the model that you have downloaded just like this. So I'm simply going to select one for you to see, and it is going to load the model that you have just selected. Okay, so after it finished loading, you will see that this option will come, that is the eject. It means that the model has been loaded successfully, and then you can come and then chat with the model, and as you can see it is working perfectly fine. Okay, so this is the best way to download the models, but you can also come to the website and then come and select models, and then from here you can do it manually yourself by simply looking through all of the models and the one that you prefer. Let's say you prefer this one, that is the ChatGPT OSS. All that you have to do is to simply come and then put the mouse at the right arrow, come and click on it to check the capacity. Okay, so this is the name that you can use to search it from anywhere and then to download it, but you have to make sure that your system memory can run it. Okay, so the minimum system requirement is 65 gigabytes, and it is not available in every system. So you have to make sure that your system can run it before you start downloading it. So like the video and then see you in my next video.